get into this protective style, I am going to get my hair together. It was in a twist out for about a week and a half. And then for the last maybe 3 days, I've just been sleeping like this, and it's just getting more and more matted and tangled. It's so dry. Like, this is how I've been sleeping, just like this. Sometimes I'll put it in a ponytail. Oh my goodness, but I sectioned my hair into 5 sections, so I've already detangled and twisted up 4 of them. So I have 8 twists right now, and so I'm gonna do the last 2. I've been using, this is just a conditioner water mix. I just put a few drops of conditioner in here. I'm spraying that. And then I'm using this conditioner that I believe I got in New York at the hotel. I'm just going to be shampooing this out, so I don't want to use anything that I actually love. I just want to add a little bit of conditioner to help with the detangling. Take my Tangle Tamer. It does a really, really good job at detangling quickly. And then I use this comb that's by Red Kiss, or Red by Kiss. And I just go through, I use the smaller tooth side, and then I twist it up. Before, my hair was really matted, and now it is completely detangled. So I'm about to shampoo and deep condition my hair. The cool thing about this hair is that it is available on Amazon Prime, so I got it the next day after ordering it. And I was also able to find a color that was closer to my hair than like the natural color or the 1B color. It comes with 2 clips, and how did they know my favorite color was pink? This Happy Smile hand mirror that I probably, okay, I'm just put that to the side. A crochet hook, little decorations, 7 packs. It's 18-inch and the color is T27. So it comes on this little elastic piece and it's already separated. So I guess they kind of assume that you'll do crochet braids, and I do like that they have it separated for you, and it's separated like by each piece. So what I'm gonna do is exactly what I'm doing here, taking this first piece, and I'm actually going to separate this. Just from top to bottom, make it a little bit less uniform. And I'm going to take two, I'll start with 2 and see if I like that. If I don't like just the 2, then I'll extend it to doing 3 twists per twist. So I like to get this part out of the way before I start the braiding process, just because while I'm braiding and twisting, I just want to get in the rhythm of doing that and not having to separate the hair. Each pack has 22 twists in it, and so I've put 2 together, and so I'm left with 22. I think y'all get it. I just wanted to point out, as I am pulling the hair apart and just separating it and fluffing it, I am getting this like yellowish, I feel it on my fingers, and you can see it on my fingers. And can you see? Just like bypass the ash. But I have like this really bright yellow tint to my fingers, and I'm assuming it's the yellow dye, like it's an ombre kind of thing. I regret not doing like an apple cider vinegar rinse, because I'm thinking that my head is gonna itch when I put this in there, and I wasn't thinking about that. I would really suggest, if you use this hair, to do an apple cider vinegar rinse first, and then allow it time to air dry. Before I start braiding and twisting, I just want to say that I am capable of doing this hairstyle where I twist starting at the root, like for Senegalese twists. I can do that. I have at least one video showing that I can do that. However, I'm not up to taking all the time that it's going to take me to do that. I'm going to show you the quickest way that I feel you can achieve this style of passion twist. Now, in my mind, I feel like passion twists are just kinky twists with different hair. I've done kinky twists in the past and it's all coming back. And that's just how styles are. They're recycled, and you know, years down the line, people say it's a new thing, but it's really the same thing recreated. So because I've been asked to do passion twists, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. But like I said, it's basically kinky twists with different hair. I always do the LCO method, so that is what I'm going to do today. I am using Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. There. Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie. It's like my favorite moisturizer of all time. Aunt Jackie's Argan Oil. I'm gonna oil my scalp. This is olive oil, just extra virgin olive oil, and then I have the Jamaican Mango and Lime Black Castor Oil. I'm just gonna put a little bit in here, and this is what I'm using on my scalp. My mama told me to get this Shine and Jam thing. She thinks it's a really good edge control. I've used it. The edge control lasts for, I don't know, all of 5 minutes, but you know, it's cute for pictures, so I'm gonna use this. And then my Echo Style Gel, this is olive oil. So I just kind of layer on the products. Literally, this is just like what I do whenever I am twisting my hair, like for a twist out or to wear twists. I think I'm gonna put my part on this side this time. Just kidding, I'm gonna go back over here. I'm starting with this little back section. Gonna get some water. This is the leave-in. So I have noticed over the years that when I style my hair on soaking wet, the moisture stays in. I'm like locking in all the water that I put on there. My styles, they look better. Like if it's a curly style, the curl is amazing. The curl definition is amazing. I used to take the time to blow dry my hair, especially before doing braids and things, but that took so long. My hair felt dry. I'm applying my cream. You notice how I'm opening up and splitting the hair, making sure that I get the product not just on the top layer, not just around the outside layer, but inside as well. I do have a towel, not a towel, I have a shirt on my lap that I'm wiping the excess product off with, and then I'm gonna just use the oil to seal all that goodness in. I'm going to add a little bit more water. And I'm going to just brush all that through. Taking this this Jamaican Black Castor Oil and olive oil mix. And I'm just using the applicator to make sure that this whole section has oil. I'm just gonna use the pads of my fingers to give myself a massage. You wanna massage your scalp for like, I don't know, 2 to 5 minutes. Depending on like how much time you have, but it just kind of helps the blood circulation and all of that stuff, just to encourage, you know, everything to work at your scalp level so that you get good hair growth. I'm just gonna pull the oils down through the rest of my hair. Gonna start in the back. I think I'm just gonna use my nail. I'm just gonna use these little clips because they're so stinking cute. Clip that. I'm taking my gel, some of that at the root. Make sure that your hair is, you know, in the center. I'm starting by braiding. I just did a few braids and Now I'm about to separate the hair, my hair, this section that's all alone, in half and combine it with the other ones. And then this is where, like, to me, each hair, like, I don't know, I found certain hair brands or hair types of extensions that look better when you twist it a certain way. So this is the first one I'm doing. This is my trial period. If it doesn't look right twisting in this direction, then I'm going to take it out and twist it in the opposite direction. I know where my hair kind of ends, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of gel right there, and I'm going to kind of like, I'm twisting and kind of rolling at the same time, just so that I'm kind of hiding my natural hair inside of the extensions. All right, when I let it go, it kind of like, I don't know, did its own little puffy thing. I guess that's how it's supposed to look. It's kind of cute. This is probably a true passion twist style, but I ended up twisting in the opposite direction for a neater look. I dig it.
Stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. That's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no lie. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no now. To put on makeup every day, and I love your natural baby that way. Beauty in the world is your smile, 'cause baby
Just at the end, just kind of, just whatever. Okay. I really like this hair. The color is amazing. It's so fluffy and light. It reminds me of my natural hair when I do my hair in twists. So I think this is the perfect size for me. If I would have done one piece of hair, it would have been a lot smaller. So the 2 pieces per twist is just right for me. And I used exactly 4 packs of hair to complete this style. Let me know what you think down below, and be sure to check out Young Thur's store on Amazon. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope it helps some of you out. Bye!